Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Mubashir Hassan. Today our topic for MCQs for Third Year MBBS is to explain the contents, hazard and safety measure for the disposal of solid and liquid waste from domestic, industrial and hospital sources and to understand global and marine problems related to waste disposal. Question 1. A hospital generates large amount of infectious waste daily. Improper segregation leads to contamination of general waste. Which one of the following steps should be prioritized to minimize health hazard and ensure safe disposal? A. Increasing the frequency of waste collection. B. Training staff in color code segregation at the source. C. Burning all waste together in open pits. D. Mixing chemical waste with municipal waste for dilution. E. Using plastic bags of any color for convenience. Correct answer is B. Training staff in color coded segregation at the source. Question 2. A community near an industrial area reports cases of skin rashes and respiratory irritation. Investigation reveals effluent discharge into nearby river. Which one of the following is the most likely environmental hazards involved? A. Biohazard contamination. B. Chemical pollution due to improper liquid waste disposal. C. Microbial contamination from the domestic sewage. D. Solid waste accumulation causing vector breeding. E. Radioactive contamination from hospital waste. Correct answer is B. Chemical pollution due to the improper liquid waste disposal. Question 3. Hospital waste management audit finds that the shops are being discarded with general waste. Which one of the following potential risks does this pose to waste handlers? A. Only air pollution. B. Physical injury and transmission of the blood-borne infection. C. Contamination of groundwater. D. Excess solid waste generation. E. Increased cost of waste disposal. Correct answer is B. Physical injury and transmission of the blood-borne infection. Question 4. A coastal city notices frequent fish death and algal bloom in nearby waters. Which one of the following improper waste management practice most likely contributes to this phenomena? A. Incineration of plastic waste. B. Open dumping of hospital waste. C. Release of untreated sewage and industrial influence in the sea. D. Burning of domestic garbage in urban areas. E. Overuse of landfill sites. Correct answer is C. Release of untreated sewage and industrial influence into the sea. Question 5. Hospital laboratory disposes of chemical reagents into the sink leading to the corrosion of pipeline. Which one of the following safety measures could have prevented this hazard? A. Diluting chemical before disposal. B. Using a neutralization process before discharge. C. Flushing with excess water after disposal. D. Mixing chemical with biological waste. E. Allowing chemical to evaporate naturally. Correct answer is B. Using neutralization process before discharge. Question 6. During inspection of landfill site, it was found that hospital waste was dumped without prior treatment. Which one of the following environmental consequences is most likely to occur? A. Increased rainfall in the region. B. Soil and groundwater contamination with pathogens. C. Enhanced soil fertility. D. Reduced greenhouse gas emission. E. Better waste decomposition. The correct answer B. Soil and groundwater contamination with pathogen. Question 7. An urban hospital uses incinerator to dispose biochemical waste. However, nearby residents complain of respiratory symptoms. Which one of the following is the most probable cause? A. Incomplete combustion producing toxic gases like dioxins. B. Low temperature leading to the odorless gas. C. Overuse of color-coded containers. D. Disposal of all waste types in autoclaves. E. Reduction in waste generation. Correct answer is A. Incomplete combustion producing toxic gases like dioxins. Question 8. A coastal hospital discharged untreated waste into the sea. Which one of the following long-term marine problems is most likely to occur? A. Coral bleaching due to the thermal pollution. B. Eutrophication and disruption of aquatic food chain. C. Soil erosion of nearby land. D. Decrease in air humidity. E. Reduction in land waste production. Correct answer is B. Eutrophication and disruption of aquatic food chain. Question 9. A municipal health officer observed that open dumping sites are attracting flies and rodents. Which one of the following integrated waste management steps should be implemented first? A. Increasing landfill depth. B. Introducing proper waste segregation and covered containers. C. Using insecticide at the site daily. D. Transporting waste less frequently. E. Mixing all waste type before disposal. Correct answer B. Introducing proper waste segregation and covered containers. Question 10. A developing country struggles with the improper disposal of hospital and domestic waste leading to the marine pollution. Which one of the following global approaches best addresses this issue? A. Local landfill expansion. B. Implementation of the reduce, reuse, recycle and the polluter pays principle. C. Encouraging offshore dumping. D. Burning waste at low temperature. E. Exporting waste to the developed nation. Correct answer is B. Implementation of the reduce, reuse, recycle and polluter pays principle. Thank you.